Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB verification code not received error. First, check your mobile's network signal and make sure that you have a good coverage. A weak signal can prevent SMS messages from arriving. Next, make sure that the phone number that you have registered with your bank is correct and active. Also, restart your phone and request the new verification code again. You can also turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This will refresh your network connection. Now, if the app or the code still does not arrive, wait for a few minutes and request a new code or contact DNB support for help. That's how you fix the DNB verification code not received. Do not forget to subscribe